Hi everyone, good to see you all. Today we are launching a brand new episode. Welcome to Random Fun Facts. Before jumping in, subscribe us and hit that bell. Get ready for a bunch of random fun facts that will make you question everything you ever knew about the world. What's useless info to some is, to others, cool, amazing fun facts that make the world a stimulating and awe-inspiring place. Are you one of those people who are masters at collecting unexpected pieces of knowledge? If so, prepare to have your mind blown with these interesting fun facts that will amaze adults and kids alike. Avocados are a fruit, not a vegetable. They're technically considered a single-seeded berry, believe it or not. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer due to thermal expansion, meaning the iron heats up. The particles gain kinetic energy and take up more space. Trypophobia is the fear of closely packed holes, or more specifically, an aversion to the sight of irregular patterns or clusters of small holes or bumps. No crumpets for them. Then, Australia is wider than the Moon. The Moon sits at 3,400 kilometers in diameter, while Australia's diameter from east to west is almost 4,000 kilometers. Mellifluous is a sound that is pleasingly smooth and musical to hear. Human teeth are the only part of the body that cannot heal themselves. Teeth are coated in enamel, which is not a living tissue. It's illegal to own just one guinea pig in Switzerland. It's considered animal abuse because they're social beings and get lonely. The ancient Romans used to drop a piece of toast into their wine for good health, hence why we raise a toast. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. They also have an open circulatory system, which means they have no arteries and their organs float directly in blood. People are more creative in the shower. When we take a warm shower, we experience an increased dopamine flow that makes us more creative. Baby rabbits are called kits. Cute. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. It was apparently chosen because of its connection with dominance and chivalry, as well as purity and innocence in Celtic mythology. The first airplane flew on December 17, 1903. Wilbur and Orville Wright made 4 brief flights at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, with their first powered aircraft, also known as the first airplane. Venus is the only planet to spin clockwise. It travels around the sun once every 225 Earth days, but it rotates clockwise once every 243 days. A 73-year-old bottle of French Burgundy became the most expensive bottle of wine ever sold at auction in 2018, going for $558,000. The bottle of 1945 Romani Conti sold at Sotheby's for more than 17 times its original estimate of $32,000. Competitive art used to be an Olympic sport. Between 1912 and 1948, the international sporting events awarded medals for music, painting, sculpture, and architecture. Shame it didn't catch on. The famous pottery scene in Ghost could have won an Olympic medal as well as an Academy Award for the best screenplay. A chef's hat has 100 pleats. Apparently, it's meant to represent the 100 ways you can cook an egg. Wonder if Gordon Ramsay knows that. In 2014, there was a Tinder match in Antarctica. 2 research scientists matched on the global dating app in the most remote part of the world, a man working at the United States Antarctic McMurdo Station and a woman camping a 45-minute helicopter ride away. What are the chances? The Spanish national anthem has no words. The marcha reel is one of only 4 national anthems in the world to have no official lyrics. The Japanese word kuchai zamishi is the act of eating when you're not hungry because your mouth is lonely. We do this all the time. The probability of a blue lobster existing is widely touted as being 1 in 2 million. Bright blue lobsters are so colored because of a genetic abnormality that causes them to produce more of a certain protein than others. There's only one letter that doesn't appear in any American state name. There's a Z in Arizona and an X in Texas, but no Q in any of them. Google Images was literally created after Jennifer Lopez wore that infamous dress at the 2000 Grammys. So many people were searching for her outfit, the search engine added an Imagine function. Humans are Japan has over 200 flavors of Kit Kats. They're exclusively created for different regions, cities, and seasons. There are some tasty-sounding ones like banana, blueberry cheesecake, and Oreo ice cream, as well as some very questionable ones like baked potato, melon and cheese, wasabi, and vegetable juice. The only animals that blush. Apparently, we're also the only animals that experience embarrassment, too. This is because it's a complex emotion that involves understanding other people's opinions. Stay with us for interesting videos. Stay safe. See you soon.